drowning in tasks, and struggling to see the bigger picture. Trello's Kanban templates are your lifesaver for streamlined workflow. First, head to Trello.com and log into your account if you don't have one. It's quick and free to sign up. Next, click on Templates near the top of the screen. This will take you to Trello's template gallery where the magic begins. In the search bar, type Kanban to quickly filter the results and find exactly what we're looking for. Browse through the available Kanban templates. Each one is designed for a specific use case, so pick one that aligns with your team's needs, like simple project management if you're managing small projects, or team task management for larger team workflows. Click on the template you've chosen. Take a moment to preview the board structure. You'll typically see predefined lists like to do, in progress, and done. Now, click Use Template in the top right corner to create a new board based on this template. Give your board a relevant name, like marketing campaign or website redesign, and select the workspace you want to add the board to. Voila! You now have a ready-to-use Kanban board. The template provides a basic workflow structure, complete with sample tasks to get you started. Start customizing the board by adding your own tasks and moving cards between the lists as you progress through the workflow. And that's it. Using Kanban templates in Trello supercharges your team's efficiency, improving collaboration and visualizing workflow. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to productivity.